Alright, so today we're going to take a look at how to remove the inner door panel here on a 1995 Daihatsu Hijet. I imagine it's pretty similar on other mini trucks and other models. So first thing we want to do is remove this little handle here, this handle, and the window crank. So pretty easy. This is the easiest. It's just got a single screw holding it on in the center, Phillips head. Take it out. This one, you can undo these little clips with your fingernail. It's got a screw on each side, one on that side, and another one right there on that side. Window crank is the trickiest little bit, but it's not that tricky. You just need a couple flathead screwdrivers. One to kind of slide up underneath. There's a little metal clip that goes between the crank and this little plastic gasket. And you have to undo it, so basically get one end to slide up over the little crank knob that's in there. So all right, so I've got the couple of screwdrivers. Might be a little small, but I want to kind of pull this handle away from the door a little bit, kind of slide it between this plastic gasket, and you can see, if you look on the side, there's a tiny little metal clip. I want to slide that clip up and off of the little cog that it's on, and you'll see it start to peek around the top of the thing. When you get it around the top, that's when you get this other screwdriver and you just kind of get it under there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm just going to slide it off the top, and there it is. Now with that off, this crank should just slide right off, right? So that little piece was right around this edge in here. Right, and like I said, the other pieces are pretty simple. This one here, it's just a single screw. That should come right out. It's got a little plastic backing that it's kind of stuck on, so and then the other end is attached to the handle, so you don't want to pull it all the way out if you don't have to. This piece will pop right off. Just undo the screw on either side. And then around the edge, there's a bunch of, plastic tabs. If you get your fingers under there, you can pull them up. Just be easy on them. You don't want to break them. Okay. Then I'm just going to slide this through, and there it is. This is what it looks like on the back, and I'm going to cut out the spot here to put a speaker in. It's got a little cutout already. Not sure why they didn't install a door speaker on the original. Everything's there, the hole's there. You just got to cut away the plastic. But yeah, there's the door, all sealed in, factory sealed. All right, so now that's what it looks like. Pretty easy, took a couple minutes. Okay, in case you're wondering what the most challenging part of running any sort of wire into the door, speaker wire or anything, it is finding the opening where this little bugger feeds through right here, because it feeds right into the frame. I had to put a little guide wire up and there's an opening up at the top here close to the brake fluid line. You can put your hand up underneath here and then have it come out here, and the opening, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, is right in here. So I had to run the wire up, find it, get it in there, and then wrap my speaker cables around, pull them down, and then it was a bear getting them through this tiny little hole. Once they're there, now I'll feed them through here into the door and then out so I can connect them to the speaker. I think that's going to be the most challenging part of the whole project, so let's hope.